So some signs that a divorce might be high conflict if the parties are fighting a lot. If they fought a lot during the intact marriage, maybe over parenting decisions, that might make it high conflict when it comes to deciding the time sharing and parental responsibility. If one party's not producing evidence of the financial aspect, that can make it a high conflict divorce where we have to go to court to compel the production of documents. So signs to look out for are if the parties really aren't able to work together or they're fighting a lot. It can make it a high conflict process. It happens in a Florida divorce where sometimes people are falsely accused. And so what we do is we have to trust the process and know that we will get to the bottom of the truth. The judge wants to know what really happened, and everyone will have their day in court. So false accusations can be defended against. Sadly, sometimes there's false accusations of domestic violence. There's false accusations of extramarital affairs. And so there's different false accusations that can arise, and they just have to be brought in front of the court for the truth to be determined. Sometimes people will make false accusations that a parent wasn't very involved in the children's lives or that they don't want to be going forward. There's parenting issues that can be falsely presented. There's financial issues that can be falsely presented, and there's all kinds of false accusations that can arise about the character of a party or the trustworthiness of a party, all of which can be handled. Protecting your mental health during a divorce process is very important. We always recommend that everyone has a support system in place, whether it be family, a mental health professional, or just great friends. Having a place to relieve your stress, because the divorce process is stressful, is critical to protecting your mental health in a divorce. So taking care of yourself, going for runs or exercising if that helps relieve stress, or a retreat, a vacation when you need to, when it gets a little overwhelming. There's things about self-care that really help our clients through this process in dealing with the stress of a dissolution of marriage. With a high conflict divorce, we really do want to reach a resolution, or you'll want to resolve your case as amicably as you can, even though it's high conflict. If there is a reasonable settlement on the table, we always encourage our clients to pursue that avenue. However, if you feel that you're not getting what's fair, you have to go to court and fight for what's fair. So the decision has to be made whether there's a reasonable resolution that we can take to resolve the divorce and stop fighting, or do we need to go to court, present the case, and let the judge reach a fair and reasonable resolution for the parties? So if you have any questions about what a high conflict divorce might look like, contact us at JR Family Law.